When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky, or a beautiful sunrise. Oh, there's so much they hold. And just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the stars get around, giving you all my love, still looking up. When you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. See where the stars they burn, some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't get up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I need to stay and make the difference that I can make. A difference they do a lot of this how to use. With those days we got, yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, still my friend, at least we didn't temper it. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bear with the work given me. I had to learn and what I got and what I'm not and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the stars get around. I'm giving you all my love, still looking up. Well, I won't give up on us. God knows sometimes enough. God loves to learn. God knows we're worth it. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get around. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. Thank you.